Now let's see service recovery in action. How a negative experience triggers a follow-up, so you can step in and make things right. From the Quick Hub dashboard, go to Quick Reviews and open Service Recovery. First, confirm that service recovery is enabled and your thresholds are set. Next, copy the customer review page link and open it in your browser, the same page your customers will use. Choose a rating format that reflects a negative experience, then click Next. Click Generate Reviews, and notice how the suggested review clearly describes the issue. Need another option? Click Generate Reviews again to see a different variation. When you're ready, click Share with Google to post the review publicly. Now, let's take it a step further and engage directly. Click Request a Call, then enter the customer's name, contact number, and an optional reason for call. Once everything is filled in, click Request a Call and finish by selecting Done. And that's it. This is how service recovery turns a negative moment into an opportunity to connect, learn, and improve, protecting your reputation while earning back customer trust.